exploring the timeless charms of Germany. A journey through history, culture, and natural beauty. In this section, we will delve into Germany's ancient roots and explore its historical significance. From the magnificent remnants of the Roman Empire in Trier, to the medieval splendors of Heidelberg Castle and the iconic landmarks of Berlin, we will trace the footsteps of history. Germany's history is an intricate tapestry worth unraveling. We will explore the magnificent palaces of Bavaria, such as the Nymphenburg Palace and Linderhof Palace, and witness the haunting history of the Berlin Wall. Understanding its impact on the nation's identity, discover the tales of empires, revolutions, and the resilience of the German people through centuries of triumphs and tribulations. Germany's cultural heritage is a captivating amalgamation of traditions, arts, and celebrations. We will immerse ourselves in the world of classical music, visiting Leipzig, the city of Johann Sebastian Bach, and attending a performance at the renowned Gewandhaus. We'll also discover the literary brilliance of Goethe and Schiller in Weimar, explore the Bauhaus movement in Dessau, and marvel at the masterpieces housed in the world-class museums of Berlin. We'll wander through the majestic museums of Berlin, Leipzig, and Munich, witnessing masterpieces that have shaped the artistic landscape. Germany's architecture seamlessly blends the old with the new, creating a striking contrast that epitomizes its progressive spirit. From the fairy tale castles of Bavaria, including Neuschwanstein and Hohenzollern, to the innovative structures of contemporary cities, like Frankfurt and Hamburg, we will witness the architectural wonders that define Germany's skyline. Be prepared to marvel at the intricate Gothic details of Cologne Cathedral and the sleek lines of the Bauhaus movement. We'll admire the futuristic designs of the BMW Welt in Munich and the iconic glass dome of the Reichstag building in Berlin, showcasing Germany's commitment to architectural excellence. Nature enthusiasts will be enthralled by Germany's diverse and picturesque landscapes. We will venture into the mystical Black Forest, hike along the rugged trails of the Bavarian Alps, and relax by the serene lakes of Mecklenburg. From the enchanting islands of the Baltic Sea to the inspiring national parks like the Harz and Saxon Switzerland, we'll witness Germany's commitment to environmental preservation and immerse ourselves in its unspoiled natural beauty. Germany's commitment to environmental preservation has resulted in pristine nature reserves and biodiverse regions that will leave nature enthusiasts spellbound. No exploration of Germany would be complete without indulging in its culinary delights. In this section, we will embark on a gastronomic adventure, savoring traditional dishes like bratwurst, sauerkraut, and pretzels. We'll visit bustling food markets, delve into regional specialties, and explore the world-renowned beer culture. Be prepared to tantalize your taste buds with the richness and diversity of German cuisine. We'll visit bustling food markets, delve into regional specialties, and explore the world-renowned beer culture. Germany's cities are vibrant hubs of creativity, innovation, and cultural diversity. In this section, we will explore the pulsating energy of cities like Berlin, Munich, Hamburg, and Cologne. Immerse yourself in the thriving arts scene. Visit world-class museums and experience the eclectic nightlife. From the historic charm of Dresden to the modern architecture of Frankfurt, each city offers a unique glimpse into Germany's urban tapestry. As our journey through Germany comes to an end, we reflect on the countless experiences and memories created. From the ancient ruins to the modern marvels, from the serene landscapes to the bustling cities, Germany has captured our hearts and imaginations. Taste timeless charms, rich history, cultural treasures, and natural splendors make it an unforgettable destination.